Welcome back. Government will begin regional plan work once the mining crisis is resolved, as it needs a comprehensive review of associated Panchayat and Town planning laws. Government will ensure that the powers and accountability of the Panchayats is fixed. CM said that illegal constructions will be considered a criminal offence in the Panchayat Act and time-bound criminal action would be fixed. Vijay Desai had raised the issue of illegal constructions cropping up as the regional plan is still undecided.
Regional planaचो इश्यू जो आहा हो म्हाका दिसता खूब वेळ पेंडिंग उरला हो इतलोच महत्वाचो इश्यू इको सेन्सिटिव्ह झोनांनी पणजेच पळयलें जाल्यार गॅरा म्हणटा तें हातून मँग्रोव एरियेन कन्स्ट्रक्शन स्टार्ट केल्लें आहा सांताक्रुजान तें हारा म्हणटा तें शेतांनी बांदपाक स्टार्ट केल्लें आहा
पयली मायनीचो विशय जाग्यार घालता कारण तोच विशय जाग्यार घालता म्हणसर जितलो पळय कश्ट काडचे पडटा ते हांव जाणा आनी तातूंत भितर रिजनल प्लॅनाचो नवीन विशय हांव आनीक घेवंक सोदिना इल्लीगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन जें आसा पळय ताजो आनी रिजनल प्लॅनाचो कसलोच संबंद ना ताणें सांगलेलें अदर सांगता नंबर 1 हॉटेल हयात 2009 एप्रूव जाला म्हज्या काळान जावन ना नंबर 2 हरा हावजींग जे आहा ते 10 वर्सां पयलीं जाला आयज जावन ना म्हज्या काळान जावन ना परते
स्पीकर सर 10 वर्सां पयलीं हांव आमदार नासलो आनी हांव म्हणटा तें इल्लीगल अशें तुका दिसता जाल्यार आज मोडा
गेरा प्रोजेक्ट वो NGPDAचो टावन प्लॅनिंगाचो विशय न्हय
जे एक्ट आसा टावन एंड कंट्री प्लॅनिंग हॅज नो टीथ
I think honorable opposition leader should wait for another 2 weeks when the amendment to Panchayat Raj Act is coming. We are giving very clear deadlines and guidelines for Panchayat to act. Two things I am moving on. One is any illegal construction has to be demolished. Any illegal construction after a particular date should be converted into a criminal offence. Fakta town planning, you will have to wait for another 2-3 months. I intend to give the powers to Panchayat subject to certain conditions, not by Gram Sabhas, by voting. Full village in vote करचे 5 वर्साक वोटिंग करचे पंचायतीन ते वोटिंगाच्या आधाराचेर पंचायतीचो प्लान जो आसा तो सुपर इम्पोज करूया there are certain exceptions to it mostly infrastructure government project or approved by investment promotion board but housing project is one area which will be definitely in the hands of panchayat other than family dwelling
76% young boys feel that watching rape video fuels the desire to actually indulge into rapes. In a survey conducted by Rescue, the NGO has revealed this shocking inference. The NGO has asked the government to preload tabs distributed freely to students with parental and porn blocking software. CEO of Rescue Abhishek Clifford informed that 80% of boys in higher secondary and colleges watch porn videos and 50% of them watch rape videos every week.
And we have done a survey in 10 colleges in Goa for 200 students concerning their addiction to violent pornography and watching rape. We found out that 80% of Goa students watch pornography and 40% of them will watch rape videos. What is disturbing is that according to our survey, and we have done 3,500 in South India, but just in Goa was the highest, which was they watch on average 28 rape BFs, that means blue films or sex videos, per week. That means they will watch about 1,000 rape clippings per month, or 50,000, half a lakh, just while they're doing their undergraduation exams. This is saturating the younger generation with a desire to actually try out rape. According to our survey, 76% of the students said that watching a rape video gave them the desire to one day actually do a rape.
Goa government has opposed plea of suspended Cop Mahadev Naik and 4 other policemen to revoke their suspension. These 5 policemen were suspended after CBI arrested them for allegedly planting drugs on Israeli national David Driham alias Dudu. These policemen have filed petition before the High Court pleading to revoke their suspension and to reinstate them. The High Court has directed Goa government to contact CBI to know status of the investigation.
During the hearing before the High Court on Thursday, counsel of suspended constables, namely Mahadev Naik, Mahabaleshwar Sawant, Samir Varkhankar, Auremia Gurre and Nagesh Parsekar contended that even after 2 years, CBI has failed to file charge sheet against them. The petitioners have pleaded to revoke their suspension and to reinstate them, on the ground that their suspension have not been reviewed even once, though the rule says that the suspension should be reviewed every 90 days. In reply, state government opposed petitioners' plea to revoke their suspension. Advocate General contended that their suspension is not a normal matter, but it had come due to their arrest in a serious crime like dealing with drugs. AG also contended that CBI probably could not file charge sheet so far because it is related with drugs nexus and their case is under investigation. On 30th May 2012, CBI had arrested these policemen for allegedly planting drugs on Israeli national David Driham alias Dudu. These constables were then attached to anti-narcotic cell. Dudu's sister Ayala in a sting operation had exposed that ANC cops were demanding money from people or else threatened them to plant drugs on them. High Court has directed Goa government to contact CBI to know the status of the investigation and to inform the status to the court in the next hearing on 11th August. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.